I have my pivot table here and I would like to bring in the agent to the column section over here. But when I try to do that, I'm seeing this error, or in your case, depending on your Excel version, you might see it with a different text. But the reason for this error is the same. So this tells me that the action cannot be completed because there's already data in my pivot table. Always the reason is the fact that when we are trying to expand this pivot table, it will go over existing data, be it another pivot table or whatever other data you might have it there. So if you see this error, it means that when you are adding additional data, the pivot table would expand just as it is the case for me here. So in order to fix that, the only thing that we need to do is either to get the data out of the way or to move the pivot table to a different location. In my case, having moved the other pivot table down and adding the agent to the column section over here, you see that nothing has been overlapped and so the error is gone. So this is how to do it. Simply move the data to a different place or move the pivot table. If this helped you, thumbs up the video and see you later.